Hi, welcome back. This is Miguel, and I'll be doing a review on some of the art on this channel, alongside with showcasing the time-lapse itself. Today's subject is the GENIE, or otherwise known as GENIE, and the material I'll be using is pastel. So let's get started. So I immediately decided I wanted a close-up of the upper part of the body, and at least show the pectoral muscles and around like waist high. And I also wanted the focus to be on the eyes, so as you can see, I start immediately putting on the whole shape of the body, and immediately go darkening the eye areas, and add two little highlights with the white pastel to give that immediate sharp look of the eyes, and to put very minimal contrast just to highlight the more important parts, which is the face, where the eyes are at. And just to add a little bit of dimension, foreshortening, I added the little hand there in the corner just to get a little bit of dimension there, and just a little bit more of the contrast in the shadowy areas. Add a little bit more shadow at the bottom and around the neck, and just a little bit more highlights. So it's very minimal details here, which made it a little bit difficult. So that is the GENIE, or the GENIE. I hope you enjoyed that time lapse, and we'll see you on the next one.